I come from Rome, and I have been working for 30 years as a specialist art restorer. I came first time in Orkney 8 years ago. I didn't know anything about the chapel, so I discovered the chapel, and it was really something very moving for me, really special. So that's why I wanted to know more about it and to do something to preserve the chapel. And so I'm very grateful to be here, that I'm working here in such a beautiful island and doing this work that it's very special for me. Orkney for me is the best place in the world. And to be here for me it's really wonderful. So working here, so it's everything for me.